If you have ever tried pulling live search data for a project, you already know exactly how painful that process can be. You write a scraper, it works for a day, then Google changes something and the whole thing breaks. You are dealing with CAPTCHAs, rotating proxies, rate limiting, shifting HTML structures, and before you know it, you have spent 3 days debugging infrastructure instead of actually building the thing you set out to build. It is one of those problems that sounds simple until you are deep in it. That is the problem SerpApi solves. And this section of the video is sponsored by them. SerpApi gives you clean, structured search results from Google, YouTube, Bing, Google Scholar, Google News, and more, all through a simple API. You make one API call and you get back a well-formatted JSON object with exactly the data you need. They handle everything on the back end. The CAPTCHAs, the proxies, the layout changes, all of it. You just get the data. For developers and AI builders specifically, this opens up a lot of possibilities. If you are building an AI agent that needs to search the web for current information, SerpApi's Google Search API is one of the cleanest ways to wire that up. Your agent makes a call, gets structured results, and can reason on top of them in real time. No scraping logic sitting in the middle, making things fragile. If you are working on a machine learning project and you need a data set of classified images, the Google Images API returns pre-classified image titles, thumbnails, and URLs in a structured format you can work with directly. If you are building any kind of research assistant or academic tool, the Google Scholar API gives you access to peer-reviewed articles with full metadata and in some cases full text, pulling from a wide range of publishers and formats. And if you are working on something more product-facing, like a news aggregator, a price monitoring tool, a trend dashboard, or any app that needs to surface real-time information, SerpApi makes that straightforward. You are not reinventing the wheel every time you need live data from the web. On the reliability side, they run at over 99.9% uptime with an average response time of 1.2 seconds. For production use cases, that actually matters. You are not going to be babysitting it. You can get started with 250 free credits by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on screen right now.